lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you're stumbling on my video, my name is Charmaine. Welcome, and I hope you enjoy your stay watching this video. Today's video is another telling what I'm selling. If you've never seen my selling videos before, basically I have a side hustle where I find, you know, things in my apartment that I don't use anymore and I want to make some quick cash. It's very easy to set up a profile on Kijiji or Facebook Marketplace or Let Go. I do very well on Facebook Marketplace, so I definitely recommend it. Of course, if you're thinking about selling items, be very safe. Try to meet somebody in a public area. If you can't and you have to have them come to your home, make sure somebody's home with you, or if you live in a building, have them go and meet you in your lobby. Do not have them coming to your door. You have to be safe. That's my little tip to you. In my videos, I like to show you what site that I had the item listed. I like to show you how much I listed it for. Of course, I'm gonna show you what the item is as well. And I also like to include what I use the money for. You know, sometimes I do use the money and I purchase something that I need, or sometimes I just bank it, but I will let you know if I do so. I also like to ask you if you would have sold it too. And some of you do actually answer me and let me know if you would have sold it as well. And I like to see those comments, so keep them coming. So that's enough rambling. I'm gonna show you the item. It was listed on Facebook Marketplace. It's for an eyeshadow palette by Revolution, 144 shadows. I listed the item for $25 or best offer, and the customer offered me $20, so of course I'm gonna take it, right? Some people had the nerve to offer me $5, and I just wrote back with a laughing emoji, like, are you serious? $5 for 144 shadows? Come on now, I know the lid is damaged, but come on. I'm gonna show you. It does look tatty. The cover is a bit damaged, and I did let them know that the cover is damaged, so I didn't hide that from them at all. I did disclose that information, but the shadows are. So this is the darn cover. Look at it. I've had this for ages, you guys. Like, it's really, really damaged, but these shadows are perfect. Let me turn my light down. Look at the shadows. Perfect. In case you're wondering, the exact name is the Revolution Ultimate Eyeshadow Collection with 144 shadows. The reason that I'm selling is because I don't use it. It's been sitting there for quite some time and I don't gravitate towards it. So hopefully the person that I'm selling it to will use it more than I did. As you can see, the shadows are intact. Like, I think I swatched like a few shadows and that was it. So that's the reason that I'm selling. My question to you is, would you have sold a palette or would you have depotted it and kept it? Because it is pretty. There's a lot of pretty shadows. Let me know in the comments below. You know I like to see your comments. And some of you actually do answer me and let me know if you would have sold it. So I appreciate that, and keep those coming. Don't have any plans to buy anything with the money. If I change my mind, I will come back in the video and let you know. But that's it for now. I don't have anything else to say. I think I said enough. If you have any questions, of course, leave them down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. If you love my cheesy selling videos, give me a thumbs up and let me know. And also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!